If you look at the MLOps lifecycle, it can be broadly divided into three stages. First comes ML design, then development, and thereafter comes operations. We'll cover the critical tools needed for all the three categories. Hey guys, welcome to Analytics Vidya. As you all know, MLOps is pretty much a new discipline that requires data science, machine learning, DevOps, and software development. And knowing the right MLOps tools can help you manage everything from data preparation to deployment. In our previous video on getting started with MLOps, we told you about what you need to learn to get started with MLOps. In this video, we'll show you the right tools you need to learn in order to manage each and every step of the machine learning lifecycle. Choosing the right MLOps tools and platforms can be a complex task. One needs to consider multiple factors, and we are going to help you guys to choose the right tools for the right use case. First, we'll look at the end-to-end MLOps platforms, followed by tools used for specific use cases. So let's begin. As you guys already know, MLOps is about automating the machine learning cycle from model development to model deployment stage. Here enters end-to-end MLOps platforms. They provide a unified ecosystem that streamlines the entire ML workflow from data preparation and model development to deployment and monitoring. If you want to be a good MLOps engineer, knowledge of an end-to-end MLOps platform is a must. Amazon SageMaker, Microsoft Azure Machine Learning Platform, Google Cloud Vertex, MLflow and Qflow are quite a few popular end-to-end MLOps platforms. These platforms combine a wide range of essential capabilities and tools that are required at every stage of the ML lifecycle. However, if you want more options for such platform, here is a curated list for you. These platforms cover machine learning lifecycle from developing, deploying, and maintaining a machine learning model. But what if you are looking for a specific tool for some specific work? Well, don't worry. Let's look at tools that have specific use cases in the ML lifecycle. If you look at the MLOps lifecycle, it can be broadly divided into three stages. First comes ML design, then development, and thereafter comes operations. And under these categories, there are multiple processes requiring various tools. We'll cover the critical tools needed for all the three categories. First, we'll look at tools for dataset labeling, annotations, and data storage, versioning under ML design and ML model building stage. This will be followed by tools under DevOps process, containerization, experiment tracking, and model metadata management under deployment stage. Finally, we'll focus on the operations stage, under which we will look at data monitoring tools. However, if you want to know about more tools for more specific tasks and learn about them, I'll attach a reference link where you can check them out in detail. Now let's look at dataset labeling and annotation tools first. Dataset labeling and annotation tools form a critical component of machine learning systems, enabling you to prepare high-quality training data for ML models. These tools provide a streamlined workflow for annotating data, ensuring accurate and consistent labeling that fuels model training and evaluation. You can check out these tools over here. After this, you also need data storage and versioning tools to maintain data integrity, enable collaboration, facilitate the reproducibility of experiments and analysis, and ensure accurate ML model development and deployment. Versioning allows you to trace and compare different iterations of datasets. You can use these tools for this particular stage. There are various DevOps tools you can use in the field of MLOps. In our previous video, we told you guys that DevOps builds the foundation for MLOps. Similarly, the DevOps tools are becoming relevant in the sphere of MLOps as well. For example, continuous integration and deployment or CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, and Circle CI are adopted to enable automated testing, integration, and deployment of machine learning models. Moreover, containerization tools such as Docker and Kubernetes are used to package machine learning models, dependencies, and infrastructure configurations. Configuration management tools like Ansible, Puppet, and Chef used to automate the configuration and provisioning of infrastructure. In the last video, we talked about experiment tracking and model metadata management. There are specific tools for this task as well. Experiment tracking and model metadata management tools provide you with the ability to track experiment parameters, metric and visualizations, ensuring reproducibility and facilitating collaboration. These are a few of the tools that you can check out. We also need tools for model deployment and serving. Model deployment and model serving tools enable you to deploy trained models into production environments and serve predictions to end users or downstream systems. These are the set of tools for this particular function. There is a need for workflow orchestration and pipeline tools too. They are essential components for streamlining and automating complex ML workflows. These are the tools you can check out. Finally, once the model is deployed, you may want to continuously observe data quality, consistency, and distribution to identify anomalies or shifts that may impact model performance. Data monitoring tools help monitor the quality of data. Data management encompasses organizing, storing, and governing data assets, effectively ensuring accessibility, security, and compliance. You can use these particular tools for data quality monitoring and management. That's all we had for you today. We have covered the tools you need for major processes in MLOps. Learn these set of tools to get started with MLOps, and if we have missed any specific tools for a specific task, let us know in the comments below. Also, we have seen that a lot of our viewers do not subscribe. Your subscription motivates us to create more such content like this one. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.